Welcome. If you've ever wanted to have a little more fun in your group chats or keep things organized by setting custom names, editing a member's nickname in Messenger is quick and easy. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to change someone's nickname in a Messenger group, updated for the latest version of the app. First, open the Messenger app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into the account that's part of the group where you want to edit a nickname. Once you're in, head straight to your group chat. You'll see your usual messages, photos, and reactions, just like any other conversation. Next, tap the group name or the profile icons displayed at the top of the screen. This will open the group's settings page where you can manage members, edit the group's name or photo, and view additional options. From there, tap See Chat Members. This shows a list of everyone who's in the group, including admins and regular members. Find the person whose nickname you want to change. Once you've spotted their name, tap on it. Now, tap Edit Nickname. Messenger will open a small box where you can type in a new nickname of your choice. You can make it funny, personal, or just something easier to remember. After you've entered the new nickname, tap Set to confirm your change. That's it. The nickname will update immediately for everyone in the group, and it will appear next to the person's messages instead of their regular name. Keep in mind that anyone in the group can usually change nicknames, and Messenger will show a quick notification in the chat so everyone can see who changed whose nickname. So now you know exactly how to edit member nicknames in a group chat on Messenger. It's a small touch, but it's great for adding personality, keeping track of members, or just sharing a laugh with your friends.